Hey, dementia caregivers, Lisa Williver here from At Home with Dementia. And today we're answering the question, what do you do if your loved one wants to eat the same meals over and over again? And first of all, you have to ask yourself, is this actually a problem? If it's something healthy, say it's some kind of grilled chicken and vegetables, that's not the end of the world. So if it's something that isn't harmful and you have easy access to it, then there's nothing that says you can't give them that meal repeatedly until that phase ends. It usually doesn't last that long. When your loved one is suffering from mild to moderate dementia, it's usually a little bit easier to reason with them or to delay them, to say, I actually just went to the store and they're out of chicken, but they had a really nice beef, or they had a really nice salad or pasta. Whatever you pick, you want to just kind of build it up, make sure they know there's a reason for one item that they like not being available, that it's coming soon. And if you can distract them long enough, they will move on to the next thing and hopefully eat the meal that you have prepared for them. But remember, it's okay if they want to eat the same meal multiple days in a row. As long as it's something healthy and isn't going to hurt them, there's no problem with that. Remember, path of least resistance will keep your loved one in a good mood and without stress. And when that happens, that means you can be in a good mood and with less stress. Make sure you click on the next video for more solutions and ideas. Don't forget to join At Home with Dementia for a community of caregivers. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.